Hi there, it's Matthew here from Leavens Volvo, and today I want to show you how to use the Park Pilot Assist in your new Volvo. On your Volvo, you have the option to add the Park Pilot Assist, which comes in handy for those tricky parking situations. So we found the spot here that we want the vehicle to park itself in, so we just open up in our menu here, we click the Park In button, then the vehicle will automatically start scanning for a spot. We're going to continue forward following the on-screen instructions. Now, the sign on the screen just told us that it has found a spot, and to continue moving forward. There we go. And then now it's telling me to put the vehicle in reverse. And it's telling me to put it back in drive to straighten itself out. And back in reverse. And put in park, and that's as easy as that.